Hey, Scott Himmelstein with the Scott Himmelstein Group. Hey, want to invite you to our mega open house event this Sunday, July 15th from 1 to 5 p.m. as we feature 3 beautiful homes in Porter Ranch. Well, the first one right behind me, 12052 Shadow Ridge Way, 12052 Shadow Ridge Way in the Porter Ranch Estates community. It's a view home and features over 2,200 square feet of living space. And our second open house, 19148 Clymer Street in Porter Ranch, 19148 Clymer Street in Porter Ranch. This home, another view home, over 1,900 square feet of living space and a single story on a cul-de-sac. This home will be open from 1 to 5, and that's 19148 Clymer Street in Porter Ranch. And our third and final open house, 19036 Vista Grande Way. That's 19036 Vista Grande Way in Porter Ranch. Also open from 1 to 5 p.m. Over 3,300 square feet of living space, pool, and a huge bonus room. So again, that's 3 open houses as part of our mega open house event this Sunday, and we look forward to seeing you then.